Next, we're going to, we have these two back rooms back here, room 104 and room 103. These were kind of some extra rooms that we had to use for tutorials, or if we need to isolate a student for whatever reason, we can put them in this room. We also, our two professionals that we have that work with us, this is where they have their kind of private space, their office. There are times where we have kids back here with them. The majority of the time it's not used, but it's a space that's available in case we need it. Okay, moving on. This next room that we have, this is kind of a playroom. We have counselors that come and visit our students on both sides. So they will utilize this room because it's pretty big. It's kind of an isolated room. So we have individual counseling that goes on in here. We have ADAC that comes and visits with these students on the DAEP side once a week. So this is kind of our conference room. If we a lot of the intakes are held in here if the counselor's office is busy. So like I said, it's just a room that we have that's open, that can be used for pretty much whatever we need to use it for. Okay. And down here we have our cafeteria. Malcolm students eat from 11:35 to 12:05. They come down, they go through the line up here, walk through, they mark their number, get the tray, come sit down. They have 30 minutes to eat. This is when us teachers have our lunch break. Like I said, they eat for 30 minutes. On the DAEP side, we have the younger kids go first, so they will eat from 11 to 11:30, and then our kids eat from 11:35 to 12:05, and then the high school DAEP kids come from 12:05 to 12:35. Also, on the DAEP side, each student sits individually at a table because it's kind of they don't get to interact with kids because they have been expelled for whatever reason from their campus, so we keep them isolated and separate from one another so they're not able to talk. Moving on.